Yeah, your back area is really flexing.
Yeah, yeah.
And you got some space, so that means that you actually have. Yeah, it looks good.
And there's 4 layers of deadener back here.
Really?
And there's 8 cans of expando foam in here and over there.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Well, that's a big box.
Hot and cooler.
Is it clipping?
No.
It's just not enough cone movement?
Yeah.
Oh, they don't.
They're brand new recoons. It hasn't got the spiders to break up on them yet. So let them cool off, and then like play low, not guessing. Like go, even go to YouTube and play something low, but watch your clip meter. You know what I mean? Pay attention to what you're doing and let the subs be able to move and breathe. Even open hatched, you can still let them move. That'll help you out with breaking up that spider, which will allow them to move on your high note.
Okay. Is this at 1 ohm?
Half ohm.
Half ohm? Are those the U18s?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, let them cool off a little bit if they were that hot. You don't want to blow anything. How big is the box, cubic space wise?
11 cubic foot.
11 cube?
Self-displacement.
Nice. Looks good. Yeah, your back area is really flexing.
Yeah, yeah.
And you got some space, so that means that you actually have. Yeah, it looks good.
And there's 4 layers of deadener back here.
Really?
And there's 8 cans of expando foam in here and over there.
Man. That's right. Yeah, wonder. What is it tuned to?
32.
32? Okay. Hello everybody, this is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we got of his dual 18-inch subwoofer system in his Tahoe. Got a really good demo with a lot of outside flex and some subflex action on these 1500 watt RMS Sundown U18s. So I really like the whole layout of the box location, as well as these nice door panels. You can really hear the music outside the vehicle as I was getting the demo. And if you notice the way he has his amplifier rack right on the box, I did not find out how much lithium or alternators he had, but I know he has at least 45 amp hours of lithium with at least 2 high output alternators when I looked under the hood earlier. You could tell it was a really nice tight fit box, fitting right at 11 cubes net. And sub up port back's always the loudest in these type of SUVs nowadays. Just seems to be most optimal in what I see the most. So we're getting to the demo now. 12,000 watts on tap between these two 18-inch subs. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button with notification bell on for daily videos coming your way every day, and enjoy.